Today we will continue with lesson 1, parts of speech. Children, how many parts of speech are there? Yes, 8. In the previous class, we learned 2 parts of speech: nouns, verb. Nouns are naming word, verbs are doing word. Naming word means person, place, animal, thing. Doing word, doing actions. Today we are going to learn about adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word. It describes and tells us more about the noun. Examples: beautiful, strong, young, big, cold, obedient, sweet, tall, little, and so on. Let's look at some more examples. I like red rose. Now in this sentence, rose is a noun and it is described that the rose is red. So when you describe a noun, the word used to describe the noun is called as adjective. So red is an adjective. Giraffes are tall. Giraffes is a noun and we are describing it as tall. So tall is an adjective. Abdul is happy. Abdul is a name of a person. It's a noun. And what we are describing about Abdul? He is happy. So happy is an adjective. Tanvi is a smart girl. Now here there are 2 nouns. Tanvi, girl, and we are describing this noun as smart. So smart is an adjective. The mango is sweet. Mango is a noun and we have described it as sweet. So sweet is an adjective. It is a hot day. Day is a noun and we have described the day as hot. So hot is an adjective. So children, remember, when you describe a noun, the word used to describe a noun are called as adjectives. So these were the examples of adjectives. Adjectives tell us about a noun. Strong boy. Strong is adjective, boy is a noun. The size and color. Blue ball, big ball, blue or big, they are adjectives, and ball is a noun. How many? 3 cars. Cars is a noun, 3 is an adjective. How a noun looks. Clean house. House is a noun, clean is an adjective. How something sounds. TV is a noun, loud is an adjective. Loud TV. How something feels. Happy girl. Girl is a noun, happy is an adjective. How something behaves. Helpful boy. Boy is a noun and we have described the boy as helpful. So helpful is an adjective. Children, once again, when you describe a word used to describe a noun is an adjective. Let's try to solve this exercise. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Karthik is a handsome boy. Adjective is handsome. Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. Here the adjective is beautiful. The bag was black in color. Black. Sudha is a pretty girl. Pretty. Mohan's little brother is only 2 years old. Little, 2. We will continue with lesson 1, parts of speech. The 4th topic, adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word which tells us something more about a verb. Examples: very, well, to, quietly, loudly, quickly, now, almost, everywhere, soon, early, silently. Let's look at the examples. She is shouting loudly. Shouting is a verb. She is doing that action. And how she is shouting? Loudly. When you describe more about verb, it is an adverb. So loudly is an adverb. John is running fast. Running is a verb. Fast is an adverb. The sun shines brightly. Shines is a verb. Brightly is an adverb. My mother cooks quickly. Cooks is an action. It's a verb. And how she is cooking? Quickly. So quickly is an adverb. So children, remember a word which tells us something more about verb, about the actions. It is an adverb. Adverb describes verbs. Adjectives describes nouns. Let's do this exercise. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences. Kavita spoke softly. Spoke is a verb. Softly is an adverb. My friend swims well. Swims is a verb. Well is an adverb. Shivaji Maharaj fought bravely with the enemies. Fought is a verb. Bravely is an adverb. He listened to the story eagerly. Listened is a verb. Eagerly is an adverb. He plays every day. Plays is a verb. Every day is an adverb. Nitin writes neatly. Writes is a verb. Neatly is an adverb. Ajay almost fell off the bike. Fell off is a verb. Almost is an adverb. Let's begin with the written work of the first lesson, parts of speech, adjective and adverb. Kindly take a fresh page in your English grammar notebook. Write today's date, name of the lesson, lesson 1, parts of speech, adjective and adverb. Adjective. An adjective is a describing word. It tells us more about the noun. Adverb. An adverb is a word which tells us something more about a verb. Exercise. Question 1. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Mumbai is a busy city. This blue bottle is mine. They live in a beautiful house. Ravi is a tall boy. Children, try to find the answers on your own. Question 2. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences. Suresh can run fast. My father came home early. I ate my dinner quickly. The children shouted loudly. So children, here you have to underline the adverbs. Thank you. Take care.